Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to a brand new video. This is my retry because the first time my camera somehow dropped down, so I have to record again. So we will see. So basically this video is going to be test for my mic and for the camera. This is just a short ride between Brijesta and Zaradeže. So in this video I'm just going to see how does all this work together. By the way, now I have the new mic. It's DJI Mic2, so I hope this will work. So there were about 3 weeks of nice weather, but I couldn't ride because I was waiting for the chain kit for my bike. I ordered it from the dealer. It's the original Kawasaki green box, and in the box came rear sprocket 46 teeth, the front sprocket 15 teeth, came the locking nuts for the rear sprocket, and the pre-cut chain. I think it's 114 links, not sure, and the front sprocket washer. So that's what came in the box, and then I was waiting for the mechanic to call me so he can do it. And yesterday I picked up the bike. Now it's Sunday and I'm here between Brijesta and Zaradeže to go for a ride and see is my audio going to work. So please don't blame my riding skills because this is my first motorcycle. I've been riding scooters for many years, but I came from a 12 horsepower, 12 Newton meter Sim Jet 14 200 to this monster. So this is 2021 Kawasaki Z650, and it has 68 horsepower and 64 Newton meters of torque. So it's a completely another planet compared to that scooter. The only motorcycle that I've ever ridden besides this was the 2018 Yamaha MT-07 in a driving school, but that wasn't really a ride, it was just clocking the hours that I needed legally to go for a practical exam. So that wasn't much really, and skill wise that was basically nothing for a motorcycle. So now with this goes pretty well. This is a third gear pull. This is the second swipe of this road for me on a motorcycle. I accidentally found this road while I was on delivery. The main road was closed due to maintenance on the tunnel, so I had to go here. And when I saw this road, I was absolutely amazed because this is basically a brand new asphalt 2-lane road, brand new, between the olive groves, and amazing scenery. I mean, it was a night when I went on the delivery, but I knew this was going to be amazing for a motorcycle. So I basically decided when I get my bike ready that I'm gonna try and go for a ride here and see what can I do with the video and audio. And basically this is a test ride. See, here is still dew on the road because here is mostly shadow all the time. I hope you don't mind my riding skills because I have this bike only for a year, and as I told you before that I was only on scooters, and this is my second swipe on this road on a bike because I just did the ride, but I realized that my camera unscrewed and hung completely down, so the video is basically useless. So we'll try with this one. We will try with this one. Nice. Careful here. Gravel on the road. This road seems to be amazing for motorcycles. It seems in some places like it's greasy from the cars. There are many cars that are leaking oil, so could be dangerous. So I'm gonna go my own pace. It's not bad. But this AGV K3 helmet is pretty windy, so I hope I'm gonna be able to clean the audio in Audacity and to be able to basically make the audio usable, so I can I'm braking with the front brake only. Careful, gravel. Okay. As I said, I hope I'm gonna be able to clean the audio in the Audacity enough, because DJI Mic2 uses the 32-bit float audio, so should be able to adjust and clean the noise. So basically the voice and the bike should be kind of good. We will see. What do we have? So this is gonna be, at least I'm having fun. I don't know what is it gonna look like for you, but myself, I'm having fun. That's important. Third gear. Swipe the few corners before I turn around. I really hope this is going to be usable. I really do. I didn't record before because I didn't have the equipment. Now when I do, I'm gonna try my best. And if I can't make it usable, I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. For example, get the quieter helmet. We will see. we'll see what we got. The bike pulls really well. This is a torque monster, but more predictable than MT. Yamaha MT tends to wheelie because of too soft suspension and torque delivery because it's a CP2 engine, cross-plane too, so it's 270 degrees apart. So when it kicks hard, too hard in my opinion. But this is a flat plane, parallel twin. When it punches really well, but really predictable. Gravel on the road, 4th gear pull. Third gear. Careful, gravel on the road. Nice. Third gear. Nice sound. I'm still a little jerky with the front brake. Gravel on the road, 2nd gear. Okay. Okay, 3rd gear. Nice. Nice swipe. Okay, yes. Yes. Still 3rd gear. Okay. Still 3rd gear. Still 3rd gear. Second. This is the hairpin. Okay. Third. This is so much better than driving in a shitbox on this road. Even though the shitbox ride wasn't bad at all. But 2 wheels are 2 wheels. That's literally what matters the most. Look at this nice view. Yeah. Swiping. Oh, hairpin, second gear. Not bad. Third. Oh, hairpin, second gear. Second gear. Yeah. Oh, a little jerky in the second gear. Too much torque. Third gear. It was nice pull in third gear. Another hairpin, second gear. Oh yeah. Third. Yeah. We're doing so nicely. Second gear again. You may think that in some corners I ride like a grandpa, but seriously, I'm not really skilled on the motorcycles. Scooters, yeah. Motorcycles, not really. I did less than 5,000 kilometers on this bike. I sat on it when it had 20,699. Now it's 25,476. So, not even 5,000. So that would be it for today's video. I hope you like it. So this is just the beginning of the new era of my channel. So like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye.